Okay, I have done a little more wet sanding on the lacquer and a little more polishing on it. You can see it's still got a little orange peel in it. I'm going to have to give my dad the win on this fender. Now I can get to that kind of a shine, but that's out of the body shop and that's out of the polish. You see that tree? I can catch that same reflection. Yeah, I don't know, that's pretty close. That's pretty close. That's hard to tell for me here standing at it. But I still have a few little places that I need to get into this orange peel. Like, well, if I can find it again. Maybe the flash will help me find it. This has a little more yellow tint to its red than this one. Now with that flash on, you can't see that much color difference without that flash. The naked eye doesn't see it that much. I mean, it is to me because I've done colors before. I used to work in the textile industry. I was the head dye wearer at several dye houses. So there's what she looks like. Now that fender compared to the original fender, now I did spray some red over this just to cover up some of the rust, but then you can walk around the rest of the truck. This is a little roughed up. I sanded some of this down, started to sand it. I've never sanded any of this. This is just the natural wear of the age of Dodge that it is, the 1995 Dodge. So there's that. Did I just see a reflection right there? Wow, I didn't know that thing had any shine left on any of it. So there you go. Slowly bringing this one back to life. Had a little trouble getting the fender to line up. I believe and my dad feels the same way, that we're going to have to move. We're going to have to loosen this post up and try to shift the fender a little bit further out and forward. So we'll do a little work on that, but not anymore until I get these jobs out. This is on the back burner, and this is dry. This isn't wet. This is what it looks like. The inside of the fender's painted. Let's show you the factory side. That's the factory side. That's my dad's side, and it has water in it, so anyway, there you go, little update. I'll bring you more when the headlights get to go in. Thanks for viewing.